English is weird. Why do we write letters we never say? Let's expose 8 common silent letter words. Night. The K is silent, but nights are loud. Lamb. The B is silent, but the lamb says bah. Island. The S is silent. So no, it's not Iceland. Climb. The B is silent, but climbing is not easy. Thumb. The B is silent again, but give me a thumbs up if you hear it. Sword. The W is silent, but swords are dangerous. Castle. The T is silent, but castles are huge. Last one. Receipt. The P is silent, and so is my wallet after shopping. Which word did you learn today? And add your favorite silent letter word in the comments.